Hi, welcome to Alleviate Dry Eye, where you can learn to treat your eyes like it's the only pair you'll ever have. I'm Dr. Pamela Terrio, Dr. T, and I am the Clinical Director of the Dry Eye Center at Lusk Eye Specialists and also the author of Alleviate Dry Eye. Today we're going to talk about the National Day of Unplugging. This was an event that was held on March 6th. And it encouraged people to unplug for an entire day. They even were giving away little sleeping bags that you could put your cell phone in for the day. It was really cute. But I want to talk to you today about the importance of an unplugging and what does that mean in our modern lifestyle. Unfortunately, for most of us, we've been spending a lot more time on our digital devices in the past couple of days and weeks. And so when we're on our digital devices, something happens with the rate at which we blink. So our normal blink rate when we're in conversation is between 10 and 24 times per minute. However, when we are reading or on the computer, that rate is going to drop down to 3 to 15 times per minute. And even more so when we're reading on a digital device, those blinks are not going to be complete blinks. So you're more apt to flutter your lids than close them completely when you're on a digital device. And so why does that matter? Why does it matter if we don't close our eyes all the way or we're not blinking properly multiple times a day? Well, our lids have a very important role in our vision. They actually spread the tears across the front surface of our eyes, and even more so when our eyelids come together, a little bit of oil is squeezed from the oil glands that line the lids. There are about 30 glands on our lower lid and 20 glands in our upper lid. So when our lids come together, those glands squeeze and express a bit of oil and then spread that oil out across the front surface of our eye. Over time, that can cause the oil glands to atrophy if we are not blinking properly. And so then there is death of those oil glands and they do not make oil properly. Even more so, when we're not blinking properly, our eyelids aren't doing their job of keeping the bacteria that live on our lids and lashes at a lower level. So the bacteria on our lids will eventually flourish, and that's what gives our irritated eyes a red appearance, is the excess bacteria that is now living on them, causing this irritation, inflammation, and redness. So we all need to use digital devices in our modern lifestyle. Most of us use them at work and at play, and so there's no getting around having them in our lives. So what can you do to reduce the risk of damage to your eyes? First, I really encourage you to have an eye exam. If you're in the Shreveport area, I'd love to see you at Lusk Eye Specialists. You can call 318-222-5555, or if you're in another area, you can check out a doctor in your area. If you need help finding a doctor, there is a link on this week's blog, which, by the way, is located at www.pamterrio.com/blog/52. And you can find a provider in your area using that link. The link is www.thinkaboutyoureyes.com. The next thing you can do to reduce your risk of damage is download the 2020 Guide to Alleviate Your Digital Eye Strain. This is a new guide I've just developed that's got several pages of resources that you can use to reduce your risk of damage to your eyes from using the computer. And finally, you can try to unplug. Use limits on your screen time for the day, so try to reduce how many hours you're on it per day or how long you're on it at any given time. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you learned a bit about how to unplug and alleviate your digital eye strain today. I'm so glad you've joined me, And remember, I believe your vision is priceless. Let's learn how to take care of it today so your vision lasts you a lifetime. Thanks again. Once again, you can find me online at www.pamtheriot.com. That's PAMTHERIOT.com, or in person at Les Guy Specialists in Shreveport, Louisiana. Bye for now.